It's a new year, but buying a new TV is the same as ever. In other words, it's still kinda overwhelming. Prices vary widely for TVs of the same size. TV manufacturers and salespeople use extra features, alien-sounding technologies and hyperbolic claims about picture quality to get you to spend more. And as usual, the internet is a mess of conflicting facts, opinions and unexplained jargon. This guide is intended as an oasis in the vast desert of information about TVs. I strive to fill it with just enough easy-to-understand information to help you select a new television. It won't answer every question, and when you read it, it won't tell you the perfect TV for you at the end. But I hope it can provide you with the basic tools you need to feel confident when you buy the new set. Which TV should I buy right now?
Number 10. Samsung Electronics 50-inch 1080p Smart LED TV. Enjoy a viewing experience that is 2x the clarity of standard HD TVs. Clear moving picture resolution at motion rate 60 with amazing refresh rate, processing speed, and backlight technology. See every image as the director intended with enriched colors, even with older, non-HD content. Access your favorite program choices, live TV, video on demand, apps, and social media in one easy-to-browse navigation experience. Easily browse the web right on your TV, enjoy everything from online shopping and social media to entertainment news. Number 9. TCL 43-inch 4K Ultra HD Roku Smart LED TV. Smart functionality offers access to over 4,000 streaming channels featuring more than 450,000 movies and TV episodes via Roku TV. Pairs 4K Ultra HD picture clarity with the contrast, color, and detail of high dynamic range (HDR) for the most lifelike picture. Direct lit LED produces great picture quality. 120 Hz refresh rate allows fast-moving action scenes to be seen with virtually no motion blur. Number 8. Sceptre 32-inch 720p LED TV. Escape into a world of splendid color and clarity with the Sceptre 32-inch LED TV. Clear QAM tuner is included to make cable connection as easy as possible, without an antenna. HDMI input delivers the unbeatable combination of high-definition video and clear audio. A USB port comes in handy when you want to flip through all of your stored pictures and tune into your stored music. With HDMI, VGA, component, and composite inputs, we offer a convenient balance between the old and new to suit your diverse preferences. Number 7. TCL 55-inch 4K Ultra HD Roku Smart LED TV. Watch shows with the enhanced clarity of 4K Ultra HD on this TCL LED TV. Its Ultra HD technology delivers lifelike images and accurate colors, and it has a dual-band Wi-Fi and Ethernet port for connectivity. This TCL LED TV provides access to streaming services, gaming devices and other accessories via its easy-to-use interface. Number 6. Samsung 43-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. 4 times more pixels than Full HD means you're getting 4 times the resolution, so you'll clearly see the difference. The Samsung MU6300 Ultra HD TV redefines the viewing experience by producing a colorful high dynamic range (HDR) picture. Samsung's Smart TV user interface (UI) and One Remote with voice navigation capability provide faster access to your favorite streaming content choices and more. It's all connected. With Samsung Smart Hub, you can easily find and play your favorite movies, TV shows, sports, music, and games with Samsung Smart Hub. Number 5. Samsung 55-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. 4 times more pixels than Full HD means you're getting 4 times the resolution, so you'll clearly see the difference. See vibrant and pure color for a realistic experience. One Remote automatically detects and controls all your connected devices and content with no manual programming required. Smooth action on fast-moving content with motion rate of 120. Number 4. Samsung 50-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. This is a Samsung's mid-range 50-inch 4th generation of flat-screen 4K Ultra HD TVs from Samsung. A 4K Ultra HD TV provides 3840 by 2160 resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of Full HD. This allows you to sit closer to a larger TV and get the immersive movie theater experience. Most movie theaters now use a 4K projector, so in effect you will have movie theater resolution in the home. The MU6300 series is a smart TV with a quad-core processor, the latest 802.11 AC Wi-Fi connectivity, HDR, high dynamic range, and has AHEVC, VP9 decoder, all of which will allow streaming 4K content from Netflix, Amazon, and other providers. Number 3. Samsung 40-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. This is a Samsung's mid-range 40-inch 4th generation of flat-screen 4K Ultra HD TVs from Samsung. A 4K Ultra HD TV provides 3840 by 2160 resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of Full HD. This allows you to sit closer to a larger TV and get the immersive movie theater experience. Most movie theaters now use a 4K projector, so in effect you will have movie theater resolution in the home. The MU6300 series is a smart TV with a quad-core processor, the latest 802.11 AC Wi-Fi connectivity, HDR, high dynamic range, and has AHEVC, VP9 decoder, all of which will allow streaming 4K content from Netflix, Amazon, and other providers. Number 2. TCL 49-inch 4K Ultra HD Roku Smart LED TV. The TCL Roku 49S405 is a modestly priced TV that nonetheless manages to deliver good quality for its entry-level price. The 49-inch 4K TV offers high dynamic range, HDR, support decent sound and Roku's excellent smart TV platform. It even has short lag time for better gaming. While it could do with an extra HDMI port and better backlight, the fact is that the TCL Roku 49S405 offers some pretty great performance and features that belie its affordable price. If you want to get a 4K smart TV without breaking the bank, you should consider this set. It is one of the best TVs under $500 on the market.
Number 1. TCL 32-inch 720p Roku Smart LED TV. Here's the thing about small TVs, their picture quality is pretty much all the same. TV manufacturers tend to pour their effort and latest image-enhancing extras like 4K and HDR into larger modules that will be used in more demanding viewing environments, and incidentally can be sold for a higher profit. In the world of small, bedroom-sized TVs, I'm talking 43 inches and smaller, the focus is on reducing the cost to hit a price point. So what separates a good small TV from the pack? In my book, it's convenience and ease of use, and nobody does that better than Roku TVs. Chinese TV maker TCL is the leader in televisions powered by the Roku operating system, the same one found in my favorite external streaming devices. Roku Streaming, complete with thousands of apps and a dead simple menu system, is built right into the TV, and everything is controlled by one remote. We are happy for you. Thanks so much for checking our video. If you want to learn more about these products, please click the corresponding link of each one. Also, please do not forget to click the subscribe button for more of our videos. Thanks again.